Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. We're at Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. I have a link below for new, used, service and parts. Sorry for the noise, but enjoy that beautiful American flag. And how about this 2025 Airstream Bambi 20FB? We have two batteries. We have the two LP bottles up front. We'll get in out of the noise here real quickly. I do want to show you the Bambi badging. And then also I want to show you this storage. I'm right by the highway, so it's going to be kind of loud. But you can see there's plenty of storage back here. This is under the queen bed. So we'll step inside here. And I said it was under the queen bed, and as soon as I said that, I thought, no, it isn't. It's actually under the kitchen. But we'll show you everything. So right inside we have a cubby, great place for magazines. We have a dry erase board that's magnetic, so you can hang stuff on these hooks. You can write notes to your loved one saying how much you love them and miss them. Keep that Bambi a happy place. Flat screen TV. We have the refrigerator. It's a little bit larger than a normal dormitory style and size refrigerator. We have your power shut off, your fuse box down here. As we look at the kitchen, plenty of counter space here in the kitchen, and then lots of drawer space. I always love to show the craftsmanship of the Airstream utensil caddy, but we've got plenty of drawers here. We have a microwave and convection oven, which is very nice. We have a 2-burner cooktop. Then we have plenty of storage underneath the sink. In that storage compartment that I showed you, that's right below this. So you have your plumbing as well, and your garbage basket. You have your plumbing. You have access to the plumbing from that outside storage as well. And then we have a dual bowl stainless steel sink, which is extremely nice. Great window setup. You can open that up and let exhaust the air or smoke if you're cooking. If you're a cook like me, you make a lot of smoke. Don't ask, don't tell. I'll show you the bathroom in a second. I do want to show you the dining area. This tabletop drops down. You can sleep additional folks there. We have these fold down or flip down doors, and then storage underneath both benches. I'll get to the bedroom in a moment. I do want to show you the HVAC system. Very nice setup. And again, it's a 20FB. So the HVAC system will cool this unit down quickly because it's such a nice compact unit. Love the shower setup. And that's spring loaded. Not spring water, but spring as in springs the door back. Great caddy area for your shampoo, soap, whatnot. Your commode. And then we have nice storage here. And it also goes back underneath there. I'm not going to try to maneuver my camera because I would hit it and make a... I'd regret doing that. Medicine cabinet. And I'll close that up. So very nice, clean, easy to use bathroom. And you also have a privacy shade, which is very nice. And now let's walk down the hallway. So before I get to the bedroom, I do want to show you plenty of cabinet space to hang up your clothing. And then we have 2 drawers that are very large. We also have this storage compartment and those tubs. And then you have your bedding, which is very nice size setup, very cozy. Plenty of storage above that. And then you have your privacy curtain that you can pull across if you have people sleeping here. So in other words, if it's mom and dad and the kids, or grandma and grandpa and the grandkids, or 2 couples out having fun, you still have some privacy. Very nice setup. Just take a look around one more time, and then we'll do a shotgun approach, shoot down the 20FB. So 2025 Airstream Bambi 20FB. Thanks again for watching. Comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.